Hi, this is Mark Gordon with GoldenTicker.com, and I wanted to talk to you about Intuitive Surgical. And they're the company that makes the Da Vinci robots, and it's a way for surgeons to robotically do surgeries. And this is really revolutionizing the industry. The patients have less pain, and the surgeries are cleaner and quicker. And the company's doing quite well. And in the first quarter of 2010, earnings were up 194% from the previous quarter the same year. Well, that'd be Q1 of 2009. So that's a huge gain on a 74% increase in sales. And then in Q4 '09, they were up 54% from the same quarter the previous year on a 40% sales gain. And in Q3 '09, up 14% on a sales gain of 19%. So you can see a steady increase in earnings per share growth and in sales growth. And earnings forecasts for the quarter ahead are Q3 2010 should be up 25%, and the entire year of 2010 is estimated to be up 43% from the previous year, and 2011 up 21%. Return on equity is 17%, which is very good, and it has a 44% 3 to 5 year growth rate, which is excellent. So the company has put together solid and increasing revenue and earnings growth, which is really strong, and it's got a lot of the good metrics that make for a monster stock. And going to a chart of Intuitive Surgical, we can see that the stock broke out of a base here in March or early April along with the general market, and ran up about 240% before topping out here in April of 2010. And the stock formed its second base here in the spring and summer of 2009, and then formed another base here in the fall. And now we've run up here and pulled back about 23.5% from the top, forming our newest base. And Intuitive Surgical is about 9 weeks into its latest base here, and a couple bullish things that's going on is that we are getting some tight closes here. You can see how these horizontal bars here on a weekly chart are very tight together. That shows institutional sponsorship is stepping in to support the stock in this price area. And what we'd like to see is some heavy volume accumulation come in on the up weeks as the stock starts moving up and forming the right side of a base. And another interesting note is that volume has been below average for the last couple of weeks, and that's actually a good sign. It shows that we may be forming the bottom of a cup-shaped base here. Would actually be very bullish. It could also be a double bottom here, with the bottom coming in here at 311.39 and then rallying up and then falling back here, undercutting that low down to 301.05. So in a double bottom, you like to see the second leg undercut the first leg. So that's happened here. So this could be either a cup or a double bottom base being formed. We'll keep an eye on it. So if the market does confirm, Intuitive Surgical could be one of the first stocks breaking out.